Hey everyone, this is Maryam from Crochet Chillpill, and today we want to learn how to crochet Fern Lace Pattern. Let's get started. To get started, make a slip knot and chain a multiple of 6 plus 4. Means if you chain 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or any multiple of 6, that's 4 more chains at the end. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So I made 30 chains to demonstrate, and at the end I added 4 more chains, and now I have 34 chains. Now skip the first 4 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, and make a double crochet to the 5th one in both upper and the back loop. Skip the next 4 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, into the 5th one in both loops, make a double crochet, chain 1, another double crochet into the same stitch, and do the same thing into the next one. Make 1 double crochet, chain 1, and 1 more double crochet into the same stitch. Again, skip the next 4 chains, make 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet into the next 2 chains, and repeat this process until you have 5 chains left. When you have 5 chains left, skip the first 4 chains and make a double crochet, chain 1, and a double crochet into the last one. This is my first double crochet, chain 1, and double crochet into the same stitch. And this is the end of row 1. Row 2, turn your project and make a double crochet into the very first stitch. My first double crochet is a single crochet plus 2 chains. Or if it's too high, make 1 single crochet plus 1 chain. Now make 1 more chain and make another double crochet into the same stitch. Skip the next and the next double crochet and make a double crochet, chain 1, and a double crochet into the same stitch. And also into the next double crochet. Do the same thing. Double crochet, chain 1, double crochet. And repeat this process. It means skip the next and the next double crochet, the next 2 double crochets, and make a double crochet, chain 1, double crochet into the next and next stitch. Again, skip the next 2 stitches and make a double crochet, chain 1, another double crochet into the next 2 stitches until you have 2 double crochets left at the end. Guys, I said when you have 2 stitches left, actually I meant 3 stitches. How? These are 2 stitches and this is the last stitch. In row 1 we skipped 4 stitches. 3 of them counted as our first double crochet, and the next chain was that chain 1 space. So skip the next 2 double crochets, skip the next chain, and make a double crochet, chain 1, double crochet into the 3rd chain of those 4 chains that we skipped at the beginning of row 1. This is the first chain, and this is the chain that we should make our last stitches in. make a double crochet, chain 1 and another double crochet into the same stitch. And this is the end of row 2. Row 3, turn your project and make a double crochet into the very first stitch. My first double crochet is a single crochet plus 2 chains. Single crochet plus 2 chains, add 1 more chain and make a double crochet into the same stitch. Now skip the next 2 double crochets and make into the next double crochet, and in the next one make a double crochet, chain 1 and another double crochet into the same stitch. Do the same thing to the next double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, and repeat this process until you have 3 stitches left. It means skip the next 2 double crochets, into the next 2 double crochets make 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet. So I reached the end of the row. Now I have 3 stitches left. Skip the first 2 stitches and make a double crochet, chain 1, a double crochet into the last double crochet. My last double crochet is my first double crochet of the previous row. So it was a single crochet plus 2 chains, and I added 1 more chain as my chain 1 space. Skip the next chain 1 space and make your stitches into the second chain of your single crochet plus 2 chains. A double crochet, chain 1 and another double crochet into the same stitch. And this is the end of row 3, and from here repeat row 3 until you have the desired length. At the end of the row, chain 1 and cut the yarn. So at the end you should have something like this. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, share it with your friends, and support me. See you in next tutorials. Bye!